Okay, welcome again to Cloud Training for Enthusiasts. I'm your pilot, Osatu Patrick Aigbogun. And last class, we talked about the complete introduction to Git, to DevOps lifecycle, everything it takes to be a DevOps engineer, and what DevOps entails, and what DevOps is set to do, and the kind of methodology DevOps covers. So, we also talked about, we planned a project, we worked on a project, and we brainstormed on a project called Health app, which we are going to continue. But when I was talking about DevOps like yesterday, the first part that we talked about was continuous development and continuous integration. So today we are going to talk about one of the tools used for continuous integration and continuous development, which is called Git. You understand me? Git is the most interesting tool for managing codes. Remember I mentioned yesterday, when you have something you want to design, you call people that know how to use programming language to design it. Those people that know how to use programming language, programming code to design what you want to, the solution you want to give. I told you those people are called developers. And one of the tools that developers use, apart from their programming language, they save their file in a folder, and they commit that folder to an application called Git. And they commit that Git and tell Git to monitor every activity taking place in that folder. So that folder, because it's being monitored by a Git application, that folder is no longer an ordinary folder. It's called a repository because it's 100% managed. So today we're going to be talking about Git repository, and so that we can be taking it one after the other. So what is Git? Git is a simple version control system. Meaning, what does that mean, version control? Meaning you can save something and keep saving on top of what you have been saving without unsaving what you have saved. You understand what I mean? You can put a file and say 5 files and keep increasing that file to 20. And that file you saved before, the document you saved before, can be upgraded, can be right upon. Are you getting me? And you can decide to roll back and delete. Maybe I did something today. I did 5 commits today. Tomorrow I did 10 commits. Then I now say, I'm tired. Let me return back to the commit I did for yesterday. I can still return back my commit without affecting the whole system. You understand me? That process is called Git versioning. So you can version, you can keep saving and still keep so instead of saving, it's not like you're actually saving on top of what you have done. No, you are saving A. When you save B, A will be saved separately, but B will still continue. You understand me? But B may be the addition of A, but A has its own track, B has its own track, C has its own track. You understand me? So you can decide to say, okay, I want to go back to what I saved yesterday. So when you are going back to what you saved yesterday, meaning what you added today will not be part of it. You have reversed back. You can say, no, I want to go back to what I've saved today. You can save back, come back to today. And you can decide to say, okay, what I've saved yesterday, I don't want to touch it, but I want to bring out something out from what I've saved yesterday and start working on it separately. That process is called branching. So all the code you wrote yesterday will still be there, but you only just took out from it and start working on it. Then when you finish working on it, you can decide to now add it to what you wrote yesterday. That process is called merging. So you can decide to take out of what you have written and keep working on it separately. So that is the most important thing about Git. And that's what we are going to be talking about. So it's going to be very interesting. I'm going to illustrate it, and we're going to see how it works. Hold on, please.